Hello and welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Today we'll be talking about the Lucknow Super Giants. Whenever we think about Lucknow, we think about KL Rahul and Sanjeev Goenka in that fight at the Rajiv Gandhi Stadium in Hyderabad. But it's a new team, new look, new jersey, and they're hoping to have some new luck as well, along with all these new things. Joining me is Fez Lucknow Super Giants, a team who is a relatively new team, although they have some good players, but we understand that they haven't won a title till now. It's not a big problem. But one thing that they'll be eyeing for this time around is the playoffs and a bit more consistency. They've got some good players, and the main thing is that their bowlers are coming back slowly from last year. They had players. Everyone was in the ambulance last year, and now everybody's getting out of that, and they are raring to go now. Their fast bowling unit.
Yes, I think new, like you said, jersey, new luck. Now is what they need. Now is what they need the luck, and yeah, actually, we do associate them only with fights, right? Like Goenka, KL,
Yeah.
Virat, Gambhir. So,
Gambhir,
uh,
yeah.
I mean, Bilkul Musaba, like they've come to the playoffs twice. They've always done well coming into the playoffs in the first 2 years when they were light blue jersey, with Gambhir at the thing. But recently their stocks have dipped. They invested heavily in Rishabh Pant. That hasn't gone well in the first season. Second season, they're wanting to do that. Yeah, but the bowling again, a lot of them have not played for a while. They have some bowlers like Northe who have played just recently. Again, they've been injury prone. So there's a very glaring problem, a very big dependency on Lucknow Super Giants top three, Markram, Puran, and Marsh. Alongside now, they're going to be wanting by Rishabh ka kya form aata hai. So yeah, again, it does. Going into this season, you're not getting, but you don't know what. Like you said, they've been working very hard, probably behind the scenes, at time to make a whole new sort of mission to win the IPL season. And yeah, you see Goyanka being heavily involved again in the media and also with the team. They're going and making their prayers and stuff. The social media team has been at it since the start to make sure that they connect with the masses and give them an idea of what they're doing. But I again, like the season, just to look on the front face, the bowling is a little bit worrisome for me as well. Like right now.
Yeah, I think that's because of that. You don't know what the fear of the unknown with Lucknow, right? Because उनके bowler तो दिखे ही नहीं आपके like
हाँ,
मयंक यादव है उनके पास मोहसिन खान है उनके
आवेश
पास
खान.
अभी शमी भी आ गया Prince Yadav is there, Nokia is there, but what you're so the first thing what comes to mind is injuries when you talk about these players, even as individuals, as a collective. That is why we're not sure.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you one thing: if they start clicking, they can be a very good side because there is Indian talent in the bowling. Shami, I think, is going to have a class season. I think he's going to be a contender for the purple cap. Digvesh, we've already seen what he can do.
Yes.
And if they really want, they can try a Hasaranga or a Nokia as well. They can rotate things. The good thing is they have backup for their players. For example, if Richard Marsh doesn't perform, you have Breedske waiting in the wings as well. Josh English is there as well. I don't know how that contract is because they said he's going to be available 3-4 games. But if he's going to be available more than that, then Josh English is more than a helpful buy for Lucknow. So they have options going. Again, I think they have three players in the middle order who, if they have good seasons, then Lucknow can really do well. And that's Ayush Badoni, Abdul Samad, and Shahbaz Ahmed. These three guys. I don't know if Shahbaz will play every game, but these guys are those under the radar players जो आपको काम करके दे सकते हैं, जो support role भी खेल सकते हैं, along with the stars over there. The thing is, obviously their batting looks pretty explosive, and all eyes will be on Rishabh Pant this time around. Again, last season he didn't have the best season. It was his first season as captain as well, and I think Goenka ji handled it better last season, but I don't think he'll be as nice this season if it continues like that. Lekin, Rishabh Pant is a quality player. You see the way he's guiding the youngsters. He's already had a chat with the new big signing Arjun Tendulkar. So he's that kind of guy. And आप जितने भी player से बात करो, off camera भी बात करो या on camera भी बात करो, Rishabh Pant has actually taken on that Dhoni kind of role. He's very close with MS Dhoni as well. So keeping that, and with Rohit Sharma, he has that kind of role where he likes to talk to the youngsters and everything because he, as a kid, used to talk to these guys and he was very inquisitive. And now he's doing that as a leader himself.
100%. I think Rishabh Pant की personality as a leader बहुत अच्छी है. Like you mentioned, because it's like you're giving back to what you got, right? Giving back to society types वाली feeling है कि भाई मेरे को भी एक time पे जरूरत होती थी as a player. I needed the help, I needed the backup. BGT जिताया सो बंदा है, but रवि शास्त्री थे, विराट थे, अजिंक्य रहाणे थे. ऐसे लोगों से he used to interact and probably get his questions answered and stuff. And he knows कि भाई now इसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. अरे घबरा मत, मैं हूँ. Like वो एक shoulder बहुत important होता है. And I think Rishabh Pant प्राइस टैग प्रेशर था लास्ट ईयर मीडिया में अगेन वो बात हो गई थी कि यू नो व्हेन पंजाब वाज डूइंग दिस आई वाज वरीड एंड यू नो व्हेन दिस वाज डूइंग दैट लाइक whoever was bidding for me a lot of talks and then again you know his form didn't go that way but this year again he got very good amount of time off he's not played 2020 cricket in a while I think the last series he played was the South Africa test series so it's been quite a big gap for him as well but that could go two ways one way by form nahi hai but other way could be these kind of people Rishabh Pant kind of people so you know better than me they more break they get the more in tune they get he's recovered his body उन्हें मार मार के खेलने वाला है उसका कोई टेम्पलेट नहीं है दैट्स परफेक्टली राइट नाउ गिविंग हाउ द आईपीएल विकेट्स लुक that's how it looks like it'll be probably it looks like it might be a good season for him because of the mental and all of this physical aspect that probably you know he has overcome those stresses in his body mind में जो भी है doubts है वो I think now he'll be with more clearer thoughts कि भाई this is my role this is what I have to do last year it was about understanding LSG's assignment because Delhi and LSG बहुत अलग franchise है this year he knows कि भाई गोयंका जी के expectations ये हैं अब मेरे को ऐसा खेलना है आई कांट डिपेंड अपॉन मार्श एमएनएम के ऊपर मैं ज्यादा यू नो आई कांट डिपेंड मेरे तरफ से रन नहीं आ रहे थे इसलिए हमारा था फिर आप आयुष बदोनी समद के बारे में बात करें तो बोथ हैव हैड वेरी गुड डोमेस्टिक सीजन समद वन द रणजी ट्रॉफी राइट इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर ही वाज डूइंग वेरी वेल इन द रेड बॉल डिपार्टमेंट लुक्स मोर कॉन्फिडेंट लास्ट ईयर गिव थोड़े बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशंस थे उनके अच्छे खासे bowling is where again where like you said the fear of unknown options है उनके पास Digvesh Rathi, I'm excited to see this guy. Like I don't know, it's just the shit housery that he does. He knows what he's doing, and then you know the courage to do that, and he did very well last season. To be frank, और he got backed up ahead of Ravi Bishnoi जो franchise में ज़्यादा थे तो उनके लिए भी एक ऐसा सीजन है कि भाई अभी कितने फाइन्स पहले तो लेंगे वो डिसाइड कर लो गुरुजी के आप कितने फाइन्स लेंगे बट विकेट्स प्रोबेबली ले सकते हैं लाइक बहुत बड़ी सवाल ये मुसाब है कि भाई पिच क्या खिलाएंगे इकाना में स्लोअर विकेट खिलाएंगे या फ्लैटर विकेट खिलाएंगे या बिकॉज़ दे डिड चेंज अप द पिच एंड
या आई थिंक दे विल कंटिन्यू विद लास्ट ईयर बिकॉज़ लास्ट ईयर आप देखें उनकी बैटिंग तो जबरदस्त चल रही थी रेड सॉइल पे खेल रहे थे ना तो मेरे हिसाब से वही पिच खिलाएंगे आई विल बी सरप्राइज्ड इफ दे गो टू द black soil and if they do then maybe their bowlers come into play in that situation लेकिन I think जिस तरीके से उनका explosive batting lineup है they'll continue with that the ball coming onto the back nicely and ऋषभ पंत का मैं एक चीज आप जो ऐड करना चाह रहा था I think एक चीज जो है भाई वो लीडर बहुत अच्छा है ठीक है लाइक ही नोज हाउ टू कीप पीपल टुगेदर एंड उसकी तारीफ करते प्लेयर्स एज अ कैप्टन एज वेल दे रियली लाइक हिम एज वेल बट आई फील दैट यू नो दैट लास्ट बिट ऑफ tactical nous that you require like Shreyas Iyer has right or like a Rohit Sharma has that last bit like you know killing the game off I think that is where Rishabh Pant needs to just find a way to with his decision making I'm not saying about his calmness or his that's all fine I think he has the good attitude he's not as and like you know I'm not a huge I don't mind if you angry or not angry it doesn't really matter but I'm for me it's that actual brain which is thinking sometimes he lets the game slip उसकी कप्तानी में अगर आप देखें वो you know spinner को दे देगा या कुछ कर देगा he's calm he's composed but sometimes he does that so I feel that you know when Shreyas Iyer comes makes the game dead or he brings in Chahal he puts the pressure on Rohit Sharma उन्हें उसको मालूम है बुमराह को कब यूज करना I think that thing अगर ऋषभ पंत fine tune कर दिया ना then he can take this team even more forward that's one thing that I would look at because overall he's a star boy everyone likes him everyone think I rate him higher than a lot of these guys and even higher than Shreyas Iyer but Shreyas Iyer is a better captain there's no doubt about that right now so I think Rishabh Pant if he just fine tunes that a bit he'll be incredible and if you talk to the players they love him so yeah that's just my thinking on Rishabh Pant
I agree what last time भी आप देखो काफी गेम्स ये लोग क्लोज आके छोड़ दिए थे जैसा आप बोले you know and then fielding थोड़ी abysmal थी उनकी but yeah I think where a captain he should know his players very well and that is where Delhi में उन्होंने इतने साल करे तो थोड़ा उनको आइडिया हो गया था कि कौन क्या लास्ट ईयर का एकदम से एक तो आधी यूनिट आपकी थी नहीं पूरे एनसीए में पड़े हुए थे बेचारे लाइक यू नो आपके बॉलर्स तो उसको भी दिमाग चलाना आप आकाश सिंह से खिला रहे हो कभी आप फिर आप प्रिंस यादव को खिला रहे हो कभी आप यू डिडंट हैव सो आई थिंक फॉर नाउ शमी आने के वजह से एंड यू नो कैंप में जल्दी घुसने की वजह से अब उनको थोड़ा बेटर आइडिया होगा नेट्स में देखें प्लेयरों को हाँ भाई इन्हें ये कर सकता है तो आई थिंक लाइक यू सेड आई थिंक मे बी दिस ईयर टैक्टिकली ही विल नो बेटर कि ये प्लेयर्स को मैं कैसा यूटिलाइज करूंगा साथ ही साथ मार्करम एंड मार्श की जो फॉर्म है बहुत ही प्यारी आ रही है मार्करम तो यू नो यू बीन बैकिंग हिम अ लॉट and he's been getting the results he's one of the best cricketers in 2025 starting in 2026 world cup बहुत डाल रहे मार्श की भी फॉर्म एक आध गेम में अच्छी आई है वर्ल्ड कप में आई थिंक अगेंस्ट श्रीलंका हिम एंड ट्रेविस हेड अ गुड नॉक so now I think Rishabh Pant cannot give you the actual मैं नया हूं यहाँ पे now he knows and he's had enough time to do camaraderie plus understand what his 11 is, plus how he's going to kill a game in what situation. These things should be noted down, I guess, and I think that's perfectly right what you said.
Yeah, and if we look at the 11, the top four kind of picks themselves: Aiden Markram, Mitchell Marsh, Nicholas Pooran, Rishabh Pant. 5 पे I'd probably go Badoni.
अब ये एक और चीज है मुस्ताफा, सॉरी, वो फ्लोटर रोल जो पंत खेला था ये नहीं करना है। वो लास्ट ईयर याद है आप, काफी टाइम उसका पोजीशन भी ऊपर नीचे हो गया, कभी 6 पे ला ले रहे, कभी 7 पे, कभी 4 पे, तो 4 पे घट रहना पड़ेगा ऋषभ पंत को। बट या फॉर टॉप 4 एंड लाइक आई थिंक नंबर 5 यू कुड प्ले आयुष बदोनी।
Ayush, nobody, not everyone is like Henrik Larsson. कभी 3 पे, कभी 7 पे, कभी 8 पे. No, so that is the thing, right? ऋषभ पंत को वो भी देखना पड़ेगा। अगर आप फ्लोट कर रहे हैं तो फिर आप खेल लो हिसाब से। अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो लाइक यू नो, जैसा हेनरिक क्लासन 3 पे खेलता, कभी 8 पे खेलता, कभी 6 पे खेलता, बट बदोनी हो गया 5 पे, 6 पे अब्दुल समद। you're okay with that?
अच्छा, अब्दुल समद, या बिल्कुल।
7 पे I would like to go Shahbaz Ahmed, because I think what I saw against that KKR game when he was playing with Sunrisers, those 2 sixes that he hit,
मिचेल स्टार्क को,
मिचेल स्टार्क को मैं तो रखूंगा यार। वो बहुत अंडररेटेड बोलो, इज वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स फेवरेट प्लेयर Shahbaz Ahmed. Shout out to Punter, he loves that guy and I think he's a very underutilized player. उसको इतना यूज नहीं करते। 7 पे मैं वो फिर 8 पे मैं शायद स्पिनर देखो हसरंगा ऑप्शन है, बट बिकॉज दे हैव दिग्विश आई विल स्टार्ट विद दिग्विश।
एंड हसरंगा की भी है ना, मतलब वर्ल्ड कप में हैमस्ट्रिंग पुल हो गया था उनका, टेयर हो गया, उसकी वापसी हो गई या नहीं होगी वो भी देखना।
सो लेट्स गो विद दिग्विश। 9 पे शमी, 10 पे आवेश खान, 11 पे मैं नौके जाऊंगा एंड 12 पे मयंक यादव रख दूंगा मैं। अगर एक्स्ट्रा मयंक यादव स्लैश एक बैट्समैन रख दो आपका। मुकुल चौधरी ही इज अ ऑप्शन।
मुकुल चौधरी विल बी द इंपैक्ट प्लेयर ऑफ दिस टीम बिकॉज़ हम देख रहे हैं कि वही ही विल बी स्मैशिंग इट अ लॉट। उसकी स्ट्राइकिंग एबिलिटी बहुत प्यारी है एंड या आई थिंक ही विल बी द इंपैक्ट सब।
मिचेल मार्श के जुड़वे भाई भी है उसमें,
मोहम्मद सिंह भी है, हिम्मत सिंह को, लेकिन
मुकुल चौधरी 12 एंड देन अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आवेश या कोई नहीं चला या नौके भी नहीं चला, आप नौके को निकाल के मयंक यादव को लेकर आ सकते हैं 11 में अगर चाहिए तो। बट अभी फिलहाल 12 ऐसा रखेंगे। आपको याद है हम लोग 23 में सॉरी 24 था शायद, वहाँ 2024 में हम बात कर रहे थे, हम लखनऊ का मैच देख रहे थे एंड वो टाइम पे सब बोल रहे थे कि इसको यूएसए लेके जाओ वर्ल्ड कप के लिए मयंक यादव को पहले मैच में। मैं बोला आपको वो यूएसए छोड़ो, नेक्स्ट मैच में नहीं रहेगा।
भाई स्पॉट ऑन। ये तो बिल्कुल मसला बोल रहे थे भाई, आई डोंट फील लाइक हिज बॉडी इज गोइंग टू अडैप्ट टू अ 150 बॉलर। वो बोलते कि अगले मैच से जो बेचारा वो हुआ था एंड फेयर प्ले भाई, लाइक यू कॉल्ड इट फर्स्ट। अब देखना कि भाई एनसीए में ही इज बीन देयर मसला फॉर द फ्रॉम 2024 to 2026 I think he's been there. So now maybe खा पिला के थोड़ा तगड़ा बनाए होंगे उसको। Maybe they've done some engineering with his dieting and stuff. So let's see. We want him to play. देखो for India he's an asset man, and 150 bowlers की कमी बहुत है हमारे पास. So why not? I'd like to see.
I would love it because आप 150 पे अगर stumps को निकाल रहे तो there's no better feeling than that. So obviously you would want him to play, and hopefully, like you said, he's fitter and stronger right now. Your player to watch out for this season?
Yeah, I would go Digvesh Rathi. I just like the shithousery. I will go with Digvesh Rathi. I think he's a good bowler. Lot of पकड़ के मारे थे उसको दिल्ली प्रीमियर लीग में, I think नीतीश राणा. But apart from that, I think still he's a smart candidate. He very confident. Yeah, he's very confident in his ability.
Yeah, I'll go with Arjun Tendulkar. If he gets a chance, it's going to be fun.
Why not? Why? I mean, captain तो pep talk कर दिया एक captain, and I'll take care of Arjun Tendulkar bowler. So let's see.
Mumbai के against, look, if Arjun Tendulkar doesn't play any of the games, I don't have a problem. एक गेम मुंबई के against अगर उन्हें last over डाल दिया या एक last ball छक्का मार दिया ना, उसकी पूरी करियर। और
आप ये सोचो मार्करम उसके साथ है मुस्तफा भाई। मार्करम को ही चुने, याद है सनराइजर्स के अगेंस्ट मार्करम को ही सता रहा था
और उसको बुमराह को मार देना, एक मजा आ जाएगा। एक मार दिया तो इट विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन मैन। Yeah, he's one, but like for me, obviously, like Aiden Markram is in form. He's solid. Mitchell Marsh, Rishabh Pant, it's really good. But the guy I always enjoy and I wish he stayed in my team forever is Nicholas Pooran. So I'm going to be watching out for him. I love the guy's vibes, man. Even if he doesn't perform, he performs. He brings that good feel-good feeling in the team. That West Indian calypso culture वो लेके आता है टीम में, एंड ही ऑलवेज टॉक्स अबाउट दाल मखनी, दाल भाटी एंड ऑल दैट, खाने के बारे में बात करते रहता है. ही इज लाइक मी, सो आई लाइक दैट मैन. लाइक it's very good. Like so he's the player to watch out for, and when he hits it, you know better than anyone that when he hits it very clean, and आवाज बहुत दूर तक आती है.
On paper कैसा लग रहा है मुसा भाई को लखनऊ की 11 plus, and now where are you ranking them in the IPL table?
I think they have outside chance for the playoffs right now. I probably keep them like at 6 or 7 around like that, but I have the outside chance because I feel that they do have some match winners over there, and they have players who can rip it apart. Like, you know, Aiden Marker, Mitchell Marsh, Pooran Pant, that's a crazy battle lineup. The main thing is their bowling. Now, if Shami clicks, I'm expecting Shami to be in the top 5 bowling wicket takers, right? I know that Shami has the tendency to get hit in the power play or in T20 cricket, but he's a wicket taker. So I'm expecting him to do better. The only thing is the supporting role, Digvesh, all these guys, how do they do? That's why I'm keeping them 6-7. If they do well, then, you know, they have a much better chance. Lucknow Super Giants.
Batting home ground guys रहेंगे. Shami के लिए home ground guys रहेंगे. Right.
Yeah, and batting, you might say that middle, lower order, they don't pack a punch kind of situation, but that is where, you know, their Indian talent, if they can come to the fore, that will really help them. Like, you know, Abdul Samad, he has the power, he knows the role. Uske paas experience bhi aa gaya, so that's it. And there's one guy actually, you know, I don't know if he's going to get a chance or not, but watch out for him, Arshal Kulkarni. He was in the under-19 team like 3-4 years ago.
Yes,
he's also an all-rounder. So that is another reason maybe the lower order finishing doesn't give you that kind of excitement. When you see other teams, they have crazy finishers. They might not have that. So that plus the bowling, I'm a bit skeptical about. That is why I'm probably keeping them out.
But वो दो player जो आप mention कर रहे थे in the start, Abdul Samad and Ayush Badoni, इन पे जिम्मेदारी ठन जाएगी because ये लोग भी 2-2 साल से 3 साल से आ चुके हैं. Domestic season जैसा गया है, Abdul Samad का at least, Ayush का भी अच्छा गया है. I think they will feel confident that in Indian wickets you can still expect from them. So yeah, I think lower middle order का ही है. Brits के है उनके पास, but again आप North के वो कुर्बान करना पड़ेगा for Brits के, unless आपके Mahesh, Mayank and Mohsin ये लोग सब fit हैं तो फिर आप भी चढ़ा सकते हो.
Yeah. इसलिए मैं like अगर उन लोग आते top 4 में, I'll be wrong, like because I'm not putting them in the top 4. मेरे हिसाब से 7-8 ऐसा होगा, but I'll be wrong. But आउटसाइड चांस है, लाइक अगर उनकी वो रहते, बिकॉज मैं अभी दूसरी टीमों को देख रहा हूँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यार यू नो बॉलिंग का इशू है दूसरी टीम्स में भी, बट ये और सनराइजर्स थोड़ी सी हल्की, एंड केकेआर, ये 3 हल्के दिख रहे हैं मेरे को इन टर्म्स ऑफ बॉलिंग. सो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल रहता टॉप 4 में रखने के लिए, बट इट्स अ वेट एंड वॉच काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन. सो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल यू विल पुट सनराइजर्स इन द टॉप 4, मे बी लखनऊ फैंस विल पुट देमसेल्व्स इन द टॉप 4, बट दैट हेजिटेशन इज देयर फॉर बोथ द टीम्स व्हेन यू.
Yeah, agreed. बिल्कुल, that makes absolute sense.
Yeah, but yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. LSG fans and all IPL fans, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. Stay tuned. We still have a couple more episodes remaining. They'll be fiery, it'll be exciting, and we'll continue to produce as much content as possible. So hit the like button, subscribe button, do comment, and have a good rest of the evening. Thank you, Faiz. Thank you, everybody.